Hello everybody, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today in this video I'm gonna teach you how to fix Facebook unable to log in and expected error occurred. Please try logging in again. So let's start the video. So friends, to fix this issue, firstly go back to the home screen on your iPhone. Now open the settings application. On the settings application, scroll up and turn on airplane mode for a while and then turn it back off. Turning on off the airplane mode will solve your network issue. Sometimes Facebook doesn't log in due to weak network connection. Now go to Wi-Fi. Turn off Wi-Fi for some time and then turn it back on. Turning off on the Wi-Fi will refresh your Wi-Fi network. Now go to back menu and tap General. On the General page, tap iPhone Storage. In the iPhone Storage page, find Facebook and tap it. Here, tap Offload App. Then tap again to confirm your process. This process will uninstall your Facebook application, but no data or media will be deleted from your Facebook. Now reinstall the app.